Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado was awarded this year's Nobel Peace Prize in absentia. Her daughter, Ana Corina Sosa Machado, accepted the prestigious Nobel medal and accompanying certificate at the award ceremony in Oslo City Hall. The Norwegian Nobel Committee announced in October that it had selected Machado as the recipient of the 2025 Peace Prize because of her commitment to the democratic rights of the Venezuelan people, to whom she dedicated her award. Machado, who lives in hiding, is a staunch opponent of Venezuelan's authoritarian president Nicolas Maduro. As tensions rise between Beijing and Tokyo, Russian and Chinese air forces conducted joint patrols over the East China Sea and the western part of the Pacific Ocean. Two Russian Tu-95 nuclear-capable strategic bombers flew from the Sea of Japan towards the East China Sea to rendezvous with two Chinese H-6 bombers. Chinese fighter jets made round-trip flight between Japan's Okinawa and Miyako Islands. This is the 10th joint strategic air patrol organized by the two militaries since 2019. Congolese president has accused neighboring Rwanda of violating its commitments just days after attending a ceremony in Washington to sign deals that aimed to end years of conflict in the country's mineral-rich east. The Congolese president has made the accusations in a speech to lawmakers. There was no immediate response from Rwanda. Meanwhile, deadly clashes have marred efforts to begin implementing the terms of US and Qatar brokered agreements signed in recent months between Congo, Rwanda, and the rebel group M23. Australia's world-first social media ban is taking effect, legally barring children younger than 16 from holding accounts with Facebook, Instagram, Kik, Reddit, Snapchat, Threads, TikTok, X, YouTube and Twitch. The platforms face fines of up to 49.5 million Australian dollars if they fail to take reasonable steps to remove the accounts. A directions hearing will be held in late February to set a hearing date for the constitutional challenge that will be heard by the full bench of 7 judges. Meta, which owns Facebook, Instagram and Threads, was the first tech giant to react, beginning to exclude suspected young children from last week.